Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM together with Gemini Canvas to learn almost any topic in a faster, more dynamic, and more interactive way. Instead of simply reading information, this workflow allows you to transform your materials into interactive web pages, structured explanations, visual summaries, quizzes, and flashcards, making complex topics much easier to understand. By the end of this video, you'll see how this workflow can transform raw information into a clear, structured, and interactive learning experience for almost any subject. So let's get started. So for our first step, we need to build a solid knowledge base. And for that, we're going to start inside NotebookLM. NotebookLM is particularly useful here because it allows us to perform deep research and organize information into a structured notebook that we can later use as our learning source. So let's create a new notebook, and here we'll select deep research and then add this prompt: compile comprehensive information on marketing strategies, including major frameworks and modern digital marketing strategies. Include definitions, key concepts, examples from well-known companies, and important principles used to design effective marketing strategies. Once the research is complete, we then import the sources into our notebook. So now that we have our sources ready, let's move to step 2. The next step is to transform that research into a structured learning experience. So let's head over to Gemini. Here we'll select Add Files, then choose NotebookLM and select the strategic marketing notebook that we created earlier. Next, we activate the Canvas feature, then we'll add this prompt: create a structured learning plan for understanding marketing strategies, organized from foundational concepts to practical application. The plan should include sections covering the definition of marketing strategy, why it is important in business, and how it differs from marketing tactics. And now we'll generate, and once it's done, Gemini generates a structured learning report directly inside our workspace. A clear learning document built from the research sources we gathered, but this is where things start to get interesting, because Canvas allows us to transform this report into multiple learning formats. First, let's take a quick look at this output. You can see that Gemini has organized the topic into clear learning modules. It starts with the foundations of marketing strategy, then moves through key frameworks like STP, the 4 Ps, customer journey mapping, and brand positioning. Each section includes concise explanations, real-world examples, and even visual concepts that can easily be turned into diagrams and learning materials. Now that we have our structured learning report, the real advantage of Canvas is what we can do with it next. Instead of just reading the report, we can start transforming it into different learning formats. So if we come up here, you'll see the create options available in Canvas. From the same report, we can generate things like web pages, infographics and quizzes, flashcards, and audio overviews, visual explanations. So we're going to convert this report into a website, which is a great way to turn the learning content into a visual learning experience. Okay, so now Gemini has converted the report into a fully structured learning website. So now let's click on Share and copy the link and open our website. On the left, we have a navigation menu that organizes the topic into clear sections, starting with the foundations of marketing and then moving through the key frameworks like STP, the 4 Ps, the customer journey, and brand positioning. Inside each section, the information is presented in a very structured and visual way. For example, here in the Foundations section, we get a clear explanation of what a marketing strategy is, along with key concepts like resource allocation and competitive advantage. As we move to the STP framework, Gemini breaks the model into the 3 core stages: segmentation, targeting, and positioning. We can see the 4 Ps marketing mix presented as an interactive framework. You can see that Gemini has also added visual elements and interactive components to help explain the concept. For example, here in this model, we have a visual funnel with a graph showing how audiences move from attention to interest to desire, and finally action. And then we have an interactive customer journey map with typical touch points and examples. And finally, Gemini even generates a brand positioning map showing how different companies are positioned across attributes like price and perceived quality. So instead of a static article, the content becomes a visual learning guide with charts, frameworks, and interactive components that make the ideas much easier to explore. But this is just one way to use the report, because from the same content, we can also generate quizzes, flashcards, and other learning tools. So let's use another powerful learning feature, which is the quiz, so we can actively test our understanding of the learning material. So from the Create menu, we select Quiz, and Gemini automatically analyzes the report and generates a set of questions based on the key concepts. As you can see here, the quiz presents scenario-based questions, not just simple definitions. Once you answer, Gemini immediately shows feedback. You can see here that the correct answer is highlighted and the tool explains why it is correct. This kind of instant feedback helps reinforce the concept immediately so that we can correct misunderstandings before moving on. Another helpful feature is the hint option. If you're unsure about a question, you can click Show Hint, and Gemini will provide a clue that guides you toward the concept without revealing the answer directly. You can also see the progress bar at the top, which shows how far you are through the quiz and tracks correct and incorrect answers. So instead of passively reading a report, the content becomes interactive learning where you can test your understanding directly inside Gemini. Once the quiz is complete, Gemini also provides a performance summary. You can see your overall score, accuracy, and a breakdown of correct, incorrect, and skipped questions. And if we come here and click Analyze My Performance, Gemini reviews the answers and highlights your strengths and the areas that need more attention. It identifies concepts that were understood correctly, while also pointing out frameworks that may need a bit more review. This turns the quiz into more than just a score. It becomes diagnostic feedback that helps guide what to study next, and from here, you can continue learning by generating flashcards, a study guide, or additional practice questions based on the same material. So let's generate the flashcards. Each card presents a key concept or question on the front, and when you click Answer, it reveals the explanation on the back. This makes it easy to quickly review important ideas and test whether you remember the concepts correctly. You can also select Track Learning, and when this is enabled, Gemini keeps track of your responses and helps you focus more on concepts that need additional review. So these flashcards turn the material into a quick revision tool, allowing you to repeatedly test and reinforce key concepts. And we can also select the study guide, which will generate a structured summary of the material, helping you review the key frameworks and ideas in a more organized format. It also provides a vocabulary list of the main concepts, along with review questions to help reinforce your understanding of the material. So instead of going back to the original report, you now have a condensed study resource that brings the main ideas together and makes it easier to review the material quickly. And the great thing is that you can always go back and access everything later. So all of the resources you generate, like the quiz or flashcards and study guide, are saved in the right-hand panel. So at any time, you can quickly return to your learning plan, review your study guide, or continue practicing with flashcards and quizzes without having to recreate them. This makes it very easy to build a small learning library around any topic you're studying. And that's it, a simple way to create a complete learning system. In just a few steps, we went from our sources in Notebook to a structured learning plan, interactive web page, quizzes, flashcards, and a study guide. Instead of passively reading information, you're now actively learning, testing your understanding, and reinforcing key concepts. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.